Hey, how are you guys doing? So you guys, I want to make stew. I blended the tomato and cooked it the other time, and I saw that the tomato was too small. So my husband actually went to the market to buy more tomato so that at least it can come up because it was extremely too small. Like, look at this, just this, yeah. And we know we're family, so this is not going to go anywhere. So we had to buy another tomato and add it so that the stew can at least, come up. So that's what I'm doing this morning. So let me take you through my stew making. All right, let's get busy in the kitchen. So I want to blend the tomato by myself. So I have to cut them in pieces because if I put them like this, it's going to be difficult to blend. Okay? You move it. When I move here, you move it. That's how you video very well. Yeah. Good girl. You know how to do it. Perfect. Okay, so you have to pause. You have to video yourself. This is the last one.
But,
Here.
but there's still one more.
Ma, just turn on. So let's wash our meat, although we've actually washed it before, but you have to stand up now, Madam Camera Woman. Come to the meat. We've already washed the meat before. It's too close, baby. Let's just wash it and remove the...
There's one more inside.
Yeah, I'll cut the pomo and I'll fry the meat. I'm frying all of this meat. You guys are seeing the behind the scene of this my cooking. I put it here. Here. They're becoming close now. How close to the onion? So we have our blended pepper that we put inside the freezer, and then seasoning cube. Wait, see, madam. And then we have our onion.
I put
Yes, I know. And
salt.
salt.
It's going to be pepperish, right?
Okay. No, you have to just be pressing it like this, inside like this. That's how you mix.
Okay.
Mm. But it's okay, you don't have to, it's okay. Beverly is cooking.
You know what I'll use? I eat the ice cream, bread.
The ice cream nasty.
I'll use
You have to you have to be a little far away. The pepper. So much, man. So we went to the market for them to give us pepper soup spice. There's a particular pepper soup spice that me I bought. Oh, now my husband go market now. See what's in there. Let me bring a flat plate and turn it first. So come closer. So these are all the things they give for that in the market as pepper soup spice. Okay, so that will add it.
Yeah, I've not used this one.
Yeah, I know we've not used this. See all these ones. We've not used all these things before, like, as pepper soup spice.
I just want to try different.
Not be say we'll try something, no go bring out the scent. That scent of pepper soup spice is what.
You can't just hold the soup and put this one first. Let's see, so that you don't put it in place of the soup.
Like this one, I do not ever know that they use star anise. This, baby, this one.
This is the original soup spice.
Many know they tell you that kind of thing. Which is the original? Which one be fake? Me for don't give us that fake. Alright, guys. So the meat is, and the tomato is boiling also. This is the previous tomato that I had. So I need to just put everything inside. Make everything just boil together. Beg your mat, get inside the pot. So my meat is ready. I need to fry them. I'll just remove everything and fry. So I'm going to be frying this particular one sharply. Oh boy, this thing hot. Wait, give me that seed there.
Where is that?
Just pour. I know how to control it. You only just to pour. I tell ya. Okay.
What is doing now?
See all that plenty tomato. This is it. Right now, sift out all of the water instead of just allowing your gas to finish. Sieve it out. In this economy, you just have to get a way of doing things. Simple. Now let's get cooking the stew. and then allow the chicken. That's hot too. Allow the chicken to dry. The beef, I don't want it to be too dry. Ben is making noise. Okay. Let's do the tomato right now. The tin tomato. They're actually warning us not to be eating tin tomato. Let's be eating fresh tomato only.
Go upstairs. Go upstairs.
Sir? I'll blend that crayfish. See crayfish there. Let's blend this, please. This is so you see. After you lie that it's my daughter that did it. So you see now you won't break this one. This is just gonna be like a normal tin tomato.
Badly.
You people, what's your name? So here, this is the tin, this is the fresh. So let's go and make our stew. Okay. Okay, so now let's put rice on the fire. Where's the cover?
You're not giving me the box. Where is your brother?
Okay, let me put my tin tomato first of all. I think the best way is to put the tin tomato first, so that's the sloppiness will come out. Oops. So this is the rice. Never even boiled it. Wow. Just you done it. Okay. So I'm gonna cook this one just for a little while because I don't want any slappy taste. But it's not slappy, sha. It's like this, so it's looking down. Okay guys, so my stew is almost ready. Alright, so make I put the tomato, the fresh tomato. Let's put in the stock water.
I'll go there.
So time to put in my chicken.
I'll throw something in there, okay? Brian will not throw it in the yeah? Okay?
Don't follow me. Daddy, don't follow me. Go back.
That's not the kind of follow she's talking about. Okay, let's test. Yummy. Yum. Okay. See my stew is ready. Looks very fine.
It's looking ribem.
And the rice is almost ready. So yeah, let's get eating. Alright. What have I done? This stew
It's ready.
yeah, it's ready.